When you purchase a brand new car via bank financing, you're buying a lot of parts bundled into one transaction. These parts include the actual car, extras you might choose to add on it, a service plan, car finance from the bank which you will be charged in interest and insurance. We will cover these topics in the video and how you can get the best deal on each one of them. Welcome to Money Brief. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community for more awesome content. If you do not have a budget already set up, draft a personal budget and see how much you can afford to pay on a monthly basis towards car expenses. This will include monthly car repayments, insurance premiums, car wash, and fuel. There are great fuel driving calculators out there to help you determine your monthly fuel usage. Perform a simple search engine search. Bear in mind that your fuel usage will be determined by the car you choose to buy and your driving habits. Banks will look at how much you are left with after your total monthly expenses to determine your affordability. An important note is to be honest with yourself when determining affordability. The bank might say you can afford the car, but when you look at your personal circumstances, an unfortunate event can displace your personal position, forcing you to give up the car when you are no longer able to make car repayments. Before approaching the car dealership or bank, manage your credit score. Aim for a good or great rating. You are able to check your rating on various credit bureaus' web applications. The service is mostly free. Again, do a search engine search if you are not already familiar with credit bureaus. Your rating will be used by banks to study your past payment behavior with other lenders to predict your future behavior. In the event that they're satisfied with your rating, this will increase your chance of your vehicle finance being approved. When you are confident about your affordability and credit rating, you can start shopping for the car that fits your budget. A mistake that a lot of people make is talking to car dealerships before knowing their true affordability. Since dealerships are in the business of selling cars and reaching their targets, most of the time they will pressure you into buying a car ASAP. Remember, a car or a house is a big purchase that can set you back for a number of years. Take your time when making decisions. Depending on the car that fits your budget, compare cars in the same segment for important factors like fuel consumption, price, engine size, service plan, and warranty. A great tool you can use to compare cars is www.duaporta.com. Quick reminder to hit the like button if you've picked up something useful. And if you're not part of our community yet, hit subscribe to stay updated. After deciding on which car you like that fits your budget, negotiate with various dealerships for the best bargain. Your goal is to keep the price of the car as low as possible to help towards affordable monthly repayments. Beware of delivery fees and extras you do not need. After you and the dealership reach a deal, you will be given a document referred to as an offer to purchase by the dealership to sign. You will then be given options to apply for vehicle finance. This includes reaching out to your bank, approaching different banks, or delegating the car dealership to send your application to all banks on your behalf. The bank or banks will come back to you with different rates. Choose the best one. You also have the option to negotiate with the banks for a lower interest rate. Most people do not know this and make the mistake of taking whatever the banks offer. After the vehicle finance has been finalized with the bank, the final step before driving your vehicle off the dealership floor will be shopping for vehicle insurance. This is a step you cannot skip. Make sure you take your time to look for the best deal and pay attention to what insurance agreement you will be entering into. We will look more into vehicle insurance in another video. In conclusion, buying a car is a big financial decision that you need to approach step by step at a steady pace. If you are in a rush, you might skip important parts and make bad financial decisions that you will later regret. It is also an achievement to be driving off your new car, since it will get you from A to B, opening a range of you might travel to for experiences and making memories. If you've reached the end and gained value, express some love by hitting the like button and subscribing. And remember, sharing is caring. Pass this on to someone who could benefit from it.